Click the New Project button and choose the document size accordingly. Press T for the Type tool and click down on the canvas. Now select a suitable font. You want something ideally a bolder, heavier font, that works the best. And type in your character or word. Now, right click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. That'll just allow us to change the effects later on if we want to. Go to the Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Field Blur. This allows us to set multiple blur points at once within the same image. So click one down anywhere you like and adjust the individual blur control until there is an obvious effect. Now click somewhere else on the image to set a new point, but drop this blur level down to 0. You can now see the transition between the blurred and the non-blurred areas. Feel free to add additional points on the image to create other transitional areas of blur, but for me, 2 is looking fine for now. So now we need to press the following keys together. It's a bit of a tricky keyboard shortcut, so it might need a bit of practice, but it's Shift, Alt, Control and E. So that's Shift, Alt, Control and E. Or if you're on a Mac, it's Shift, Alt, Command and E. Now this can be tricky, but what it does is creates a merged pixel layer of everything you see at the top of the layer stack. Right click on this layer and then convert to a smart object. Go to Filter, Pixelate and choose Color Halftone. Change all the angle values to the same number. I've done 50, 50 and 50 here, but it doesn't matter. It can be any number really as long as they're all the same. And then it's a case of adjusting the radius value to taste. And that's the effect.